In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Subscript in Notion. If you're a Notion user and you want to include scientific notations or just give more structure to your text, subscripts can be incredibly useful. Fortunately, Notion offers a straightforward way to achieve this. Let's walk through the steps to add subscripts using the inline equation feature. First, open your Notion page where you want to add the subscript. To utilize the subscript function, you don't need any advanced programming skills. It involves using the simple yet powerful inline equation feature in Notion. This method allows you to seamlessly integrate scientific formulas or any text requiring a subscript. The first step is to invoke the inline equation block. To do this, type a /botprint in your Notion page. You'll notice a menu pop up presenting several options. Start typing the word equation and you'll see an option for inline equation. Go ahead and click on that to select it. This will immediately create a space for you to enter your equation or text that needs a subscript. Now it's time to enter your desired text or formula. You'll use an underscore as a tool to convert the regular text into subscript. This is similar to how you would write subscripts in LaTeX or other text formatting programs. For example, if you want to write the chemical formula for water, you'll type H followed by an underscore, and then the number 2. So it appears like this, H2O. Once you finish typing, you'll see the conversion magically happen on screen, transforming into H2O with the 2 as a subscript. Let's walk through another example to solidify your understanding. Consider the formula for carbon dioxide, which is CO2. In the inline equation space, you'd type CO, use an underscore, and then type the number 2. So, CO2 transforms into CO2, displaying the number 2 as a subscript to the O. If you need subscript applied to a variable, like x1, you follow the same method. Begin with typing x, followed by an underscore, and then the number 1. This results in x1 appearing as x1. One handy tip to remember is that spaces in inline equations will also affect how your subscripts appear. So if you're typing longer equations or mixing text with numbers, be mindful of spacing to ensure it appears exactly how you'd like it. Using this technique, you can effectively write chemical formulas, mathematical equations, or any text structure requiring subscripts, enhancing both the readability and professionalism of your Notion documents. And there you have it. By using the inline equation feature and a simple underscore, you can easily write subscripts in Notion. Thank you for watching, and be sure to try this out on your own Notion documents to add that extra touch of clarity and detail.